Imagine this. Two companies are sharing the same office and the same receptionist. Each company has its own number from different trunks. When there's an incoming customer call, the receptionist will answer it.
Thank you for calling. How can I help?
Well, what really matters here is the receptionist needs to figure out which company is exactly the target destination for the customer. A little bit complex. What if there's a way for a receptionist who can easily figure that out? So he or she could be able to respond immediately. Like this. Thank you for calling Yay Star. Instead of a comment greeting. The feature we were talking about is actually called Distinctive Ringtone. With this feature, the receptionist can easily distinguish incoming calls simply by listening to the ringtone. When an incoming call comes in through the number for company A, the phone will play a specific ringtone. If it goes through the number for company B, the phone will play another specific ringtone. In this way, the receptionist can recognize the call with quick response, providing a better service experience. More information for VoIP features? Subscribe us or visit yaystar.com.